Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to understand your website traffic, track user behavior, and improve performance, Google Analytics is the perfect tool. Today, we'll go over how to use Google Analytics for website insights. Let's get started. 1. Setting up Google Analytics. First, you need to create an account and connect your website. Go to analytics.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Start Measuring and follow the steps to set up a new property for your website. Copy the tracking ID and add it to your website using Google Tag Manager or manually in your site's HTML. Now, 2. Navigating the Google Analytics dashboard. Once your setup is complete, explore the dashboard. Home gives an overview of key metrics like active users, traffic sources, and engagement. Reports provide in-depth data on audience demographics, behavior, and conversions. Real-time lets you monitor live user activity on your site. 3. Understanding your website traffic. Check where your visitors are coming from. Go to Acquisition Overview to see traffic sources like organic search, social media, or direct visits. Identify which platforms drive the most engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. 4. Analyzing user behavior. Learn how visitors interact with your site. Under Behavior, Site Content, see which pages are the most visited. Use bounce rate and average session duration to assess engagement levels. Identify pages where users drop off and optimize content to improve retention. 5. Tracking conversions and goals. Set up goals to measure key actions. Go to Admin Goals and create custom goals like form submissions, purchases, or signups. Use e-commerce tracking, if applicable, to track sales and revenue. Monitor conversions to evaluate the success of your marketing efforts. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you make data-driven decisions for your website. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next one.